Okay, so welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are just going to be unboxing this EcoBeauty Bytes box. It's one of these subscription boxes. So we're just going to jump right into it. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe, and here we go. This is a subscription box for people who are more ingredient conscious. So this is going to be brands like Plaine, Lotus, Moon, and one other brand here, which are both black owned companies, which is always a plus, and I believe they're kind of like sister companies, if I have that correct. But yeah, each month a licensed esthetician curates your own box of full-size products, which is always great because some of these subscription boxes will give you like a trial size, and I think that's just like a waste of my time. But yeah, so it's pretty cool. But you get 3 to 5 products in each box, and they come every month. It costs about $59 a month. Yeah, so in each box is a $140 value worth of products, but it only costs you $59 a month to subscribe, which I don't really mind. I mean, I think that's fine. I do like the idea of ingredient conscious products because I think it's been like a year maybe since I've kind of switched over to become more conscious about not only my food and stuff, but the products as well. So I'm always reading the ingredients and making sure they're not like crazy chemicals I can't pronounce. Just I like to see that simple, easy, natural ingredients. That's just what I prefer these days. So let's just get into opening this box. Oh gosh. We regret to inform you. That's like the worst thing to start a letter with. They will be discontinuing the subscription box service, and this February box will be the final box. Oh, that sucks. I just got here and the party's already over. Like, anyways, each box comes with a little message on it that you can see right here. And it's really interesting how these things work, so that's so lovely. Yeah. So the first product is this Flower Moon Nectar Leave-In Conditioner. It smooths and softens hair. It has aloe juice as the first ingredient, cetyl alcohol, however you pronounce it, but like the good alcohol. Then it has castor seed oil, vitamin E, hydrolyzed wheat protein, vitamin B5, jojoba oil, organic jojoba oil, and all this other good stuff. You also get the Lotus Moon Cocoa Mango Hand Cream, which is lovely for these ashy months. And its ingredients, starts off with aloe juice as well, shea butter, flower extract, cocoa butter, avocado oil, carrot seed oil, vitamin E, witch hazel. Oh, that's why I couldn't get it off. I was supposed to squeeze it from there anyways. Cool beans. Oh, no, I wasn't. Okay, well, this is strange. Anyways. And then we also have the Lotus Moon Raw Cocoa Mask and Peel, Skin Softener and Pore Refiner. Everything in this box starts with aloe vera juice. That's cute. And then you get like this eyeshadow from Plaine Beauty. It's called... oh, it doesn't have a color. But yeah, a nice neutral brown. How nice. Then a lash... okay, mascara. Fancy way of saying mascara. I am disappointed in this. It's already being canceled. Both of these brands, Plaine, Lotus Moon, these are new and upcoming companies. So it did say in the letter they had to focus on building the company first. Which, I mean, that's cool, but why did we start this then? But yeah, so if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.